Today I'm going to be adding LED strips to my Xbox 360 and showing you how to do it too. Standard LED strips require both 12 volt and ground signals. We must solder these points to the power port on the Xbox 360. First I'll squeeze my flux tube too hard and waste lots of the paste. Then after some cleanup we can solder the 2 points. I'll leave the diagram in the description below if you want to try this mod yourself. I'm going to use white and black wires, white for 12 volt and black for ground. Once they're soldered I can push them through a hole to the other side of the motherboard. After that I'll clean up the flux with some isopropyl alcohol. I do this as the flux is corrosive to the motherboard and can damage aspects of the PCB over time. Speaking of PCBs, did you know you can get your own printed with today's sponsor PCBWay? That's right, with their quick order services all you have to do is upload the Gerbers for any PCB board and they'll get them shipped to you quickly and affordably. I've used them for all of my hardware projects so far and the quality is fantastic, as is their service. They also offer board assembly, 3D printing and CNC, making them a one-stop shop for all of your prototyping and manufacturing needs. Go check them out at PCBWay.com. With the motherboard all cleaned up, we can turn over the board and place our LEDs wherever we want. I opted to use the fan for my LEDs as it's visible from the outside casing. I'll peel back the included adhesive and wrap the strips around the fan. Soldering the strips is a bit tricky. I like to turn the console on its side to prevent any solder falling down onto the motherboard. Next I can do a bit of cable management on the wires and solder them to the correct points on the LED strips. With the wires installed we can now test the console. And that looks pretty good. It even matches my Ring of Light LED. When reassembling the console, we need to remove the plastic fan shroud as it completely covers the LEDs. We'll also need to cut out this metal shield that goes over the console. Some people like to remove this entirely, but I assume it's there for a reason, so you can make your own decision on how you want to do this. Apart from those two little mods, we can now reassemble the console normally and see the result.